Where are we here? Bitcoin on a daily. All right. I was pretty disappointed this weekend because, we were, right, we had this green oversold signal. We've been in this, nice green wave since the 20th, right? Is that right? So, man, I was all we've just been in this range here, and really, I mean, if we go, let's go down to the other time zones, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So we have this rangey range here. So let's mark it. It got rejected back on this level on the 21st. Um, and we tried to test it again, right? And so this weekend, I was really hoping that we would bust through this and challenge more of the top of this range. But we're getting a strong rejection. Yep, as you can see here, right? It's just starting to dump. We have an over bot signal here. Whoop, over bot signal on the 4 hour. And it's looking like we want the price to come back down to the bottom, lower range here. We don't really see any higher highs, any lower lows. If anything, you could call this a hidden divergence here. Um, so we could, yeah. I mean, look, we're getting a nice giant candle, red candle here. Doesn't look like my indicators are working right now, but that's okay. So I mean, yeah, I'm looking for lower prices. I'm gonna be getting my shorts on today, potentially. As the 1 hour also says, hey, we got an overbought signal. Um, so yeah, I mean, on the daily, let's see, let's see if we could hold 20K. All right. This is the level that we're looking to try to hold for Bitcoin. All right. Um, if it doesn't, then we're in play for, hey, could we go down to then we're into like the 18K range, right? 17K range. Um, that's when it kind of came down. Maybe we fill in these wicks here. And then there's also 12K in play that I see. 9K. We could go pretty dang low here. But one level at a time. Let's see if when Bitcoin gets down here to 20K, if it can hold. But on daily, right? We could see here is maybe today, maybe tomorrow, right? Maybe it comes down here. This looks like it's starting to pinch in, and then we get a bounce, right? That's what we'd like. Cause hey, that would be a nice W pattern. That's what we'd like to see. So there's your hopium. That's the best. I think that's what we're looking for. Um, but yeah, if we start breaking these levels, start getting daily candles closed here, we get another oversold signal or overbought signal, sorry, and we start to get the wave down, then yeah, then I'm looking at those lower lows here for Bitcoin. Um, Ethereum.
Which range puts Sailor on the rocks, Dollfast? I'm trying to remember the Sailor range. I know Celsius is down at like around 13, right? Isn't Celsius down around 13 now?
I
I think
can't.
they've
I
lowered their
don't know.
liquidation point. But
That's
yeah,
nice for
it's
them. But
I,
Sailor is it actually blew past. And remember, we had it at like 21K before. That was our Sailor
yeah.
level. So we've blown past that. But I think that was just. I think he's able to avert the margin call. I don't know where. I think he could be fine all the way down to like 3K. He says, if I remember, three
Well,
K
yeah,
or
so he's probably been also just essentially DCing probably for quite a while too.
yeah.
I
I
don't
don't.
I
Yeah.
doubt he's completely all leveraged, right?
They could basically, yeah. He's just said that they could hodl through some
Yeah.
some really
He
lows,
may have
some deep
already had
lows.
some
So
leverage positions liquidated for all we know.
right, yeah. I don't. Yeah, who knows? He knows. I don't know. I don't know what's going
He
on with
still
this.
tweets every day like the market is at an all-time high. I will give him that. The man tweets like Bitcoin's at
He
100K.
does
I mean, it's
not.
amazing. I mean,
Yeah.
he is dedicated. I will say that.
So Ethereum here, we're watching it get a clear rejection,
Yep.
clean rejection right here off
Buy
this
any, yep.
this range. So we're looking at maybe let's see if we could hold this 1,000 zone. If it starts to break this level, then we're
Yeah.
looking to fill these wicks here and some lower lows for Ethereum. VWAP starting to come down. We still have this giant red money flow wave. Yeah, it's looking like some lows coming in incoming here. Right now, the market in general is just in a mix, right? I mean, what is this Tron? What?
Yeah, Tron.
TRX?
Yeah,
That it's up
yeah,
4%.
I
See,
saw,
it it's broken
there was
out of
A Tron video made, yeah, just a couple days ago too, by a big YouTuber. CoffeeZilla made a video saying
uh,
that Tron's USDD is essentially a Ponzi scheme or something. So
hey, it's that bump though, bad news is good
Ponzi bump.
news. But yeah, I mean, here you could pretty much see like this range in this area that it likes to be in. So I would imagine now that we challenge this area that has been support and resistance in the past. Um, so let's see what happens if it could get up here. I it's looking like it can. I don't know though. The 4 hour looks like it wants to just form a bearish divergence. Really, right? We're getting higher prices, but momentum is coming down. So, yeah, we could be on the 4 hour here. This could be a decent short incoming here on Tron. Just yeah, so I'm not really convinced that it can actually make it up there.
Yeah,
It may just be puttering out right now.
yeah,
So, yeah, it could yeah, so
party's over.
interesting developments. Yeah, it could be parties over. Um, but it is still a green wave, so we could still get higher prices. That is still a possibility. You just have to go down to the lower time frames to find out. Um, all right. So yeah, an Ape Watch almost.
Check it out.
Oh man.
Check it out.
Yeah, it's spiked up here above $5. I see. I wasn't watching the charts at all this weekend, especially yesterday. Wow, it got a clear rejection here. Got up to $5, rejected. So, but this is a nice big wick, and usually wicks like this, the price likes to be filled because there's a lot of people that missed out here, essentially. So, um, a lot of times those wicks like to get filled. But let's see what happened. Was it that aggressive, I guess, here on the lower time frames for it to get um, filled? Um, I don't know, man. That's not on here on 4 hour. It doesn't look too good. I mean, we have an overbought signal here. The thing is, the money flow is still green now, so this could just be a little retrace before we get another bounce, right? So, um, I would maybe be waiting patiently for a long opportunity um, for ape at this point. Yeah, I mean here in the 1 hour, we could be getting an oversold signal, so we could be getting a little pump here potentially soon. VWAP is aggressively coming up. We still have the money flow wave that's starting to rebound there. Um, 30-minute is getting a buy signal here. So yeah, I mean we could be in hey, let's go long here soon for ape. It's already up
Wow.
2%. It's doing pretty good.
Wow. Wow,
So
some hopium for that token. Can you check out
there's some
Sol for
hopium.
me because I need to time my Sol entry
Oh my
correctly.
god, dude, you're fucking soul. All right.
Thank you.
Well, I would wait, bro, because daily, right? Daily, dude, it can't even. Soul can't even get up on the top of its range,
That's what I'm
man.
saying. Yeah, that's why I know
It's
I'm waiting. I'm
dirt.
not getting it right now because it's
Yeah.
coming
So
further down.
oh yeah. So
Yeah,
look, so the daily
I want to
RSI
get it cheap.
is pointing down. Wave is starting to crest down. Money flow wave is big and red. VWAP pointing down. Daily is showing signs that we're done with this pump. We're done, is what it's saying.
Car shit.
But let's see if the
Stamp it.
lower time frames confirms any of that. Hey, we've been having this. Okay, so we just broke the low here. So let's see. This one could get really aggressive. We
Ooh,
could
I
start
hope so.
aggressively going down here.
Sorry, everybody, but I
One
hope so.
hour is saying we're going down. 15-minute is saying okay. Maybe it's just going to be ranging in this area for a little bit. But 15-minute says it could be pinching in. Nothing printed really. I mean, VWAP's pointing up. It's about to cross. Money flow is about to cross, but we could maybe see a little relief and then lower prices, right? So it's just kind of looks something like this. Um, so that's what I'd be looking out for on Soul. So
Perfect. Thank you.
hold on to your stables there, Freeman. Don't use it on Soul yet. Okay, you get
Yes,
a better
I'm
price, I
holding
think.
off. I know. I'm eager, but
Yeah,
I'm holding off.
yeah, I would wait till like 26,
Yeah.
$27. Yeah, because right now,
I want to
yeah,
fill the bag, but I must wait.
yeah,
I
you
feel it.
must. Yeah, you got to be patient.
Be patient, my son.
Patient.
Okay. Is
I
that
was
it?
really excited about this week. Like I was because
Yeah.
last week I was like, hey, this week we could get start busting out of that range, and start seeing some higher prices. At least a nice like pump. Like maybe Bitcoin would just get up to like start like a nice $10,000 range from between 30K and 20K. I'd love that. But it's not. But coming in this morning, looking at the charts with you guys, doesn't look like I'm going to get that week today.
No.
I'm not seeing that week right now, but
Yeah.
today's today. We'll see how
Well,
it ends.
short it on the way down and then fill your bag at the bottom.
Thank you for watching GMTV.